Hey guys, and welcome back to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to add a portfolio in your Upwork account. Now let's begin. Right here, as you can see, I have already logged in. In case you have not, you guys log in as well. Right now, what we want to do is simply add a portfolio. To do that, what we need to do is simply go to our profile. At the top right, here's a profile icon, that's Profile and Accounts. Simply click on it. Then this will open up from right there. From here, what you guys need to do is simply click on this Your Profile section. Do note that there are other features here as well, but we're only gonna focus on Your Profile section. I'm gonna click on this button right here. Then right here, as you can see, your profile page is opened up. Just scroll down. You'll see many things, profile settings, and these all things available here. Right now, what we're currently focused on is the portfolio. And right next to portfolio, on the right hand side, you will see a plus icon right here. Just click on it. And from here, you can add your new portfolio project. That's your project title, role, project description. You can add contents as well. And also skills and deliverables. I'm gonna enter all of them. Well, as you can see, I have added everything. Once everything's okay, simply hit on this next preview button right here at the bottom right. Now simply hit on next thumbnail and hit on publish. And that's it guys. That's how we add to portfolio in Upwork. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.